Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first, this evening, paper vehicles and inadequate staff.
That's how two security guards have described the challenges on the job working as escort drivers.
Now it follows the gruesome day-like killing of a security guard in Portmore St. Catherine on Monday. Kalisha Williams has our story.
We cannot tell you his name or reveal his identity. He also requested that we distort his voice for further protection. But what I can tell you is that he has been working as a security guard for over 15 years.
We're getting underpay. That's the main issue. We're getting underpay and three-man team.
In fact, he said he only receives $60,000 every 2 weeks. And the three-person team he spoke of refers to the number of persons dropping off and picking up cash for banks and other institutions.
Basically, what they are doing now is like they're cutting costs, saving costs, and at the end of the day, putting the guys' life at risk. You understand me? You're supposed to have a driver, two escort with the crewmaster. But now you have the driver, escort, and the crewmaster. That's three.
Another issue is the type of vehicles being used when security guards are carrying out courier services, especially when transporting large sums of cash.
You still have paper vehicle go this morning, same way. You still have paper vehicle. They just say they order a new vehicle to come, but it's going to take a little time. So we have to bear with them. But as I said, the promise been given more than one time. It's not the first time promise us that. And it's not only even town alone. You go to Mandeville, same thing. You go to Ochi base, Mobile base, same thing. Paper vehicles in the fleet.
It comes 24 hours after a security guard from Beryllium was shot and killed and his colleague injured during a brazen robbery in Portmore St. Catherine on Monday. Residents had expressed concerns that the schedules for security companies delivering cash are too predictable, so they are easy targets for criminals.
In the morning, when you leave out, you have certain people where you mandatory. Western Union and Bank have to get the money early to open up. So it's like, if you think about the time, it's going to be a show-off. The spirit is down, but man, them old still. Hold them composure and I do them best, but a lot of things need to change down there going forward.
This other man is a former security guard. He said the issues in the system are not new.
Over the years, they keep bringing in more soft-body vehicle, right? And it just not go work. You have instances, I tell you now, what I'm saying, a two-man in a little box with millions of dollars.
He mentioned a specific incident when one worker appealed for more armored vehicles to be added to the fleet.
And a manager look at one of the guys and ask him if his body is armored. So whether or not, if he's even an uncat him go out the road, he have to go out the road, go do the work. You understand? So, I mean, them just want to do the work at any cost.
For industrial relations consultant Vincent Morrison, legislative changes are needed, specifically the Occupational Safety and Health Act.
If the guards don't have the proper equipment, the law would give them the opportunity to say, look, I don't have the proper equipment. The vehicles, I understand, are not bulletproof. They could have said to the management, look, we are not going to drive in this vehicle. We are not going to use this vehicle. The vest, they could say without the vest, the proper vest, we are not going.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.